everyone, this is Avni. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very special because आज मैं करने वाली हूँ charcoal sketching. So before starting the video, मैं थोड़ा सा background बता देती हूँ that I am using charcoal since a long time. And if you want to see my more sketches and more artwork, then please check out my Instagram handle. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe. Now without wasting our more time, let's get into the video.
आज मैं एक ओल्ड मैन की पोर्ट्रेट बनाने वाली हूँ एंड आई ऑलरेडी डिड द आउटलाइन फॉर द सेम एंड नाउ आई एम डूइंग द शेडिंग पार्ट. So first of all, as we all know, charcoal is a very messy medium. So I am putting a tissue paper underneath my hands so that the charcoal particles will not spread on the sheet, as well as my hands will also remain clean for some time. Here I am using charcoal powder layer by layer and also using soft charcoal pencil for some strokes and then blending it with brush or stumps. यहाँ पर मैं पेंसिल इरेजर का यूज कर रही हूँ for giving some highlights. Similarly, I will complete the cap part of the portrait. Now coming to the ear part, I am doing the same process again of adding charcoal powder layer by layer according to the shades it required. I am using a kneaded eraser for giving some highlights. You can see it here how I am going to work with this. Now I am using pencil for making the specks. Now here comes the most loving part, the eyes. As we all know, eyes are the most expressive part of a face, so that we have to closely study the actual picture in order to make sure that it will sketch perfectly. Which part should be made dark and where to leave spaces in order to make the highlights. Here I am making some wrinkles using pencil and then blending it so that it will give a soft look. Now I am shading the forehead part and then blending it with brushes. And again using the pencil eraser for the highlights. Now comes the most challenging yet easy part, the mustache. If you know the correct way of making mustache or beard, then it will make your sketch looks more attractive. But if you fail to make it proper, then ये आपकी sketching को पूरी तरह से बिगाड़ सकता है. तो यहाँ पर मैं आपको सबसे easy method बताऊंगी for making the white mustache. I am completing the cheek portion before the mustache. Just take an empty pen and start indenting the white hairs and indent as much as you can. Now for making the mustaches, take medium charcoal pencil and start shading the area. Isn't it quick and easy method for making the mustaches? Please let me know in the comment section if you like this method. Now I am completing the face with the same formula of working with layers along with blending. अब मैं थोड़ी डिटेलिंग कर रही हूँ, which also includes adding some highlights all over the portrait. एंड अब मैं शर्ट पार्ट को शेड करूंगी. Yay! Finally, our portrait is done. But the most important thing is still undone, the background. But before that, I have to wash my hands. I am using a charcoal stick for the background. It provides me very rich black background. यहाँ पर मैंने ब्रश के साथ साथ अपनी फिंगर से भी ब्लेंडिंग की है और उसका इफेक्ट आप मेरे हाथों पर देख पा रहे होंगे. But now sketching is totally completed.
Here's the final portrait. Thanks to all of you for watching it till the end. And do not forget to like, comment and share my videos.